Hey everyone, this is Max with MxChat, and today we're going to be covering the Pinecone Database Manager. This will be a quick tutorial showing you how to get it set up in Pinecone and some brief explanations on different parts of this integration and what those different settings mean. Now for starters, often people ask why they should or why would they use the Pinecone Database Manager over the default WordPress Database Manager. And the reason is because if you're working with a large data set, this could really put a strain when doing similarity matching on the resources of your website. If you're working really over 500 entries into your database, it would be best to maybe use Pinecone. Not necessarily required, but it would certainly be a better option. And this is because when you're doing the similarity matching, the SQL database is really not engineered or built to handle the large data sets, whereas Pinecone is exclusively designed specifically for vector database similarity matching. So to get set up, first off, you have to go to your add-ons and download the Pinecone Database Manager. This is available for both free and paid users. After you do that, you'll go over to the Pinecone Manager here and start out by going to your settings page. Once you go to your settings page, you'll have to enter a few different things here. Your Pinecone API key for starters. After that, once you get into your Pinecone account, they offer a free account. You get a certain amount of indexes and databases for free. This is the part where most people will struggle. So there's a few different things you'll have to do in here. When setting this up, the most important thing is having your vector type, dimension, and metric match the embedding model that you've selected. Now, you may be wondering, what do you mean embedding model? Which one did I select? This can be found in your MxChat settings page. So you have your chat model, and then you have your embedding model. This is what's responsible for vectorizing your content and submitting it into the database. We offer a few different integrations here. These are basically, there's not many embedding models available. So you have your OpenAI ones, and then you have Voyage. Today we're going to be using this, the TE3 large. Now you'll notice next to this, there are numbers. This is your dimension size, and this is what you have to match when you're setting up your Pinecone database. So we're using TE3 large, it's 3072. So Pinecone has a few pre-built ones in here, and you can see TE3 large is available. Now if you look, you see the dimension, it's 3072. You can actually adjust this, but 3072. Metric, you want to use the cosine. If you don't see the option that you're using in there, you just fill it in manually. Dens 3072. And you can select your provider and whatnot. So, but for today's example, we are going to use TE3 large. We're going to give this an index name. We're going to say MxChat demo. All right. The rest of this we're just going to leave as default and click create index here. Perfect. Now I will delete this afterwards, so I'm exposing some of the sensitive, potentially sensitive information here. But so first off, what we're going to do is start by copying the host URL here, and we're going to go back to our Pinecone Manager settings, and we're going to put that in our Pinecone host. Now you do need to remove the HTTPS. Now we need our region. This is going to be US East 1. And then we need our index name. That's what we named it right up here, MxChat demo. And we're going to click Save Settings. Perfect. So now that we've done that, we are basically ready to go. So you can submit URL, PDF, sitemap, whatever you need. You can submit content manually. for now, we are going to just take this example URL here, and we will import this. All right. Now, it could take a second for it to show up in the actual database here with the Pinecone. And there you go. Now, you can also see all of your entries here. You see, now it's also available in the Pinecone website as well. And it's that simple. I mean, that's all it takes to get up and running with your Pinecone database manager. Let me know if you have any questions at all, and I appreciate you taking the time to review this, and thank you.